guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Melanin Beauty. Welcome if you're new and welcome back if you're not. I look crazy, okay? I know I look like a peanut head, bald head. Yeah, bald-headed hoe shit, okay? We're not gonna talk about that. You in my business? Don't do that. But anyway, guys, we have something different today. We have a wig review, but it's a headband wig. Y'all have seen this all over the place, these damn headband wigs. I know they're coming in, you know, they're the thing now, they're trending now. I actually found out why. Someone actually said it's because the companies are not producing lace, making lace due to COVID, so they're trying to get us, you know, to start wearing the headband wigs. That was surprising and shocking to me, but yes, girl, that's why. So we just gonna see what's in the box first. This is from BeautyForever Hair. So thank you, BeautyForever Hair, for sending me this wig. And I'm gonna tell you guys what is in this box. You get their little card. You get the wig cap. This is actually too light for me, but I think I'll still use it. I'll just put makeup over it. You get a headband. They give you one headband, and of course you can purchase more headbands. And of course, oh, before that, they also gave me lashes. Now, BeautyForever Hair have stepped up their game with the lashes. As you can see, they're not in a case. I actually put them on. These are the lashes. They look good. BeautyForever Hair, you're doing your thing. Because I remember they gave me a wig before and they didn't have these lashes. They realized that, like, yes, honey, we like these kind of lashes. These are really cute. I still think they're kind of natural. They're just, oh, they just look good. Hair companies, take notes. This is the kind of lashes we like. We don't like the, you know, y'all know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. And this is the headband wig. Oh my god, these curls. No, seriously, don't even lie. Look at these curls. Oh wow. This is beautiful. This is 100% human hair. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I have no makeup up here, guys, because I have to do the edges and everything. So please, if I look funny, I will finish my makeup at the end, but don't worry about that right now. This is so pretty. This is deep wave curly, I think. 16 inches. It is 16 inches. And then, of course, you got like, well, you got a little headband here too on the wig. Before we throw on the wig, we're going to do our edges. I'm going to take the edge booster. Oh, sorry, don't mind that. That's makeup. Mind your business, girl. We're gonna take the True Edge Controller Extreme Hold. Yeah, I really like this edge control. And then, so I'm just gonna slick my edges and then I'm gonna voice over it so you guys can see and I could explain it more, you know. Alright, so now I'm just taking my edge brush to help me slick my edges. I didn't mention this before, but this wig is 150% density. Also, guys, I feel like this wig is better than the hat wigs. I'll put a picture to the side so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Because, you know, not everybody want to wear a damn hat. And, you know, it's just, to me, it's better. The headband is better than the hat. Alright guys, so I was having a very hard time slicking my edges because I haven't slicked my edges in a while. It still didn't turn out how I wanted it to, but it was 1 o'clock in the morning, girl. I was like, no. So yeah, you don't have to slick your edges, but I just personally think it looks better. Personally, like, I'm gonna be wearing this wig to work and school a lot, so 99% of the time I probably won't even be slicking my edges, to tell you the truth. I'm gonna put some holding spray on my edges, plus I'm gonna blow dry it because My edges just need all of that to really stick and stay, you know. I'm just gonna tie it down and blow dry it so I can make sure it don't move, because with edges like mine, yeah. Hey guys, so this is the best I could do with the edges. Like I said, I haven't did my edges in a while. Maybe with this headband wig I could learn like how to do it better. But that's all we're gonna get right now. Okay, so let's put on the wig. Oop. Okay, so I think I'm new to this, so I think you go like, hold on, maybe you do like, hold on, and you just attach this band in the back just like this. Oh, I like this feature because it feels so secure, that band. And I'm gonna push it back a little. Oh, not too much, just push it back a little so we can get the edges action. Ooh, hold up. Oh shit. Hold on. BeautyForever hair. I just hate how big my forehead is. I still have to do my finish my makeup. Let me see. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Let me finish my makeup and then I'll come back and then we'll like put some mousse in it, style it, and try the other headbands and stuff. So I'll be right back. So my makeup is done. Ooh, I don't know. Headband wigs might just be it. Okay, so they give you this headband too. I don't know if you guys can see it. Has birds, and of course, like I said, you guys can purchase headbands. I'm gonna put it on my head so you guys can see how it looks. Okay, so this is what the headband that they gave me. Oh my god, baby, this is cute. I do feel like I said, I need to perfect my edges a little more, but this is really, it's really cute. My forehead is booming, but I don't know. We're gonna try this headband too. They did not send this one, but I seen girls try this on with this wig, so we're gonna try it to just like jazz it up a little bit. Okay, so this is with the glittery headband. Ooh, this looks good. This is like if you want to jazz it up, like if you're going out with this. Ooh, honestly, this is a perfect work, college, school wig. Oh my god, I am going to use the hell out this wig for work. I'm telling you guys, I'm not playing around. Like, and let's try to put it up. So of course you can put it like this. You don't have to wear it down. Like, you can put it up if you don't want it down and stuff like that. This is real cute. Ooh, I'm in love with this. So this is like half up, half down. Have to perfect it a little bit, but this is cute too. Ooh. This looks good. This looks good. Okay, so you seen what it looks like poofy. I'm just gonna try to define the curls a little bit to see how that look with my Lotta Body mousse. So moment to look at this curl pattern. This is beautiful. Like, this looks really good. This is the hair all wet and with mousse. Oh my god, this curl pattern, baby. Y'all And she is moving. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this headband wig tutorial. Honestly, this wig is really pretty and I just love the curl pattern and the texture. The feel of the hair is so soft. But honestly, I'm gonna keep this wig just as a work wig or a school wig or just running an errand wig. This is perfect for that, okay? Just because I'm not really comfortable with my forehead out like this, I don't know, like I gotta get used to it, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. But if you are interested in purchasing this wig, all links will be in the description box, so make sure you check it out. So once again, thank you BeautyForever Hair for sending me this wig, and I'll see you guys in the next video.